Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You have come back to Charismatic Glam with me, Charisma, and I thank you guys for watching. So, I just came back from going to the store to see if they finally had any mask or anything like that, because I am down to literally my last mask, and I have been reusing this mask, spraying it out with my Lysol for the last couple of days. So while I'm down to my last mask, basically, for myself, because I don't have any more, Home Depot has no more, Walmart doesn't have any more, Target doesn't have any more, I have to do something, I have to do something quick. So my mom is a very good seamstress, so she actually decided that she was going to make the whole entire family some masks. So I just actually went and picked up the mask that she made. So what she did was she made like a little insert. So that way, you know, if we found masks anywhere, we can probably put the mask on top of it and then, you know, cover our face up with the homemade mask that she made. So I basically was like, well, if this mask basically, because you can, they said that basically your mask has to not be able to let, you know, like the germs and stuff come out of it. And as you can see, there's nothing traveling outside of this. I'm like, what else can I get that would be able to produce kind of the same thing? It may not be a mask, but still produce the same thing, the same material, or even be close to the same material that would prevent germs from necessarily coming out if you cough or you sneeze. That's the purpose of them showing you with the Lysol, between good and bad, I guess, mask, when I was looking. So I came up with my own, not even my own alternative, but I'm sure this could probably help someone else. So I just want to kind of share the information. What I did was I went to my local Walmart and I went into the vacuum cleaning section, because basically these masks are like a filter. Like it's a filter to stop the, I guess, well, you know, I guess in the painting, carpentry industry, stop the dust from coming in, and you can still breathe and, you know, get what you need, you know, to come into the mask to stop the dust and stuff like that coming into you. So long story short, what I went and got basically was the, what is this? The shop vac, the filters. These are actually vacuum cleaner filters. So let me open one up, because they come 3 in a pack, and I did not know. I bought 2 packs, but hey, I'd rather be safe than sorry at this particular point. So this is what it looks like. I'm actually gonna cut a piece and fold it in half like this and put it in the flaps of this mask and of my daughter's mask, because she also has a flap because she's smaller. So we're gonna put it in between her mask. And these are reusable. You can throw them, I mean, not throw them away, sorry. You can throw away the filter after a while. You can wash this and reuse. So I'm loving the fact that she made it like that. Thanks, Mom, because I know she's probably watching this video as well. So basically this filter here, it belongs in a vacuum cleaner. As you can see on here, this is a filter you put on the vacuum cleaner, the HVAC rather, so that way the particles, dust and stuff like that can be sucked in, so that way it can kind of clean the air when you're working in the, like I said, in the carpentry business. If you're painting, if you're sawing, probably like you know, like the wood and the sawdust is all around. It basically starts to trap some of that bad, you know, those bad things that you don't really need going into your body. So it says it fits most shop vac brand wet and dry vacs. So I figured that this would be a good alternative, especially for people who have these reusable masks, because it's not, we all know it's not really protecting anything. Just, if you can see it, like it's literally going through. So it's not really protecting anything, and you don't have like any sort of filter in the inside of your mask to stop you from really, if you, let's say you are a positive person and you have to go outside for a moment or whatever and you're coughing, it's not really stopping you from having those germs into, into an area where many people are, which could honestly cause others to get sick. So, just to show, nothing is really going out. That's just the wetting of the paper. But if you double it, this can definitely help out a lot as a filter between your mask. So there's nothing really going outside of the mask. I mean, even so, you don't even have to cut it. You can kind of fold it up nice and small. This isn't the best fold, just letting y'all know. But you can fold it up and put it in between your mask, and it can definitely act as a filter. So I just wanted to just bring that to you guys' attention. Just being able to put something out there that can help somebody else. So just take a look at the Shop Vac mask in the vacuum cleaner section of your local Walmart. I'm not sure if Target has it because I didn't go into Target. I found these again in Walmart. These were $4.96, $5 with tax. It was like maybe $5.17, $5.20. So take a look at those when you go into Walmart. So that way, if you too have like a reusable mask and you need something as a barrier between, the air that you're bringing in and, your mouth, your sneeze, your cough, or things like that, this could possibly be an option for you. Yeah. So, like I said, this mask has like an opening. My mom created an opening when she made a mask for me. So this is the filter. It's pretty big. It came folded in 3 already. So I'm just going to fold it back in the same 3 that it was. And you kind of just have to make it thin to fit. No need to sew anything. No need to put it together in no special, type of way. This is pretty much it. Put it in the flaps, and that is it. So I'm sure that some people may have some extra questions. If you have any extra questions, please go ahead, write to me down below. I do answer messages when they are posted. For those of you who definitely have been messaging me or commenting on videos that I make, y'all know. So this is pretty much the mask. And mine, the way she made it for like behind your ears, of which I would have preferred the one that goes directly around your head, but totally snug, fits over your nose. And I'm sorry guys that you really can't hear me too well, but I'm trying to show you guys how it kind of fits. Able to put on, especially for me because I do wear glasses. Let me pull it down a little bit. I do wear glasses, so this is perfect. Oh, it just came on because I didn't have it secure behind my ear, but so that is it. So if you are looking for a mask, you don't really have a mask, but you do know how to sew, or even if you don't know how to sew, because I've seen some no-sew masks when it comes to these. So, but my mom, she knows how to sew. So this right here is another option to make sure that you guys are well protected, so that way you can go outside and do your daily activities as you go about your day, and don't put yourself at risk of anything that you really don't want. So I hope that this right here is able to help somebody out there. Let me know how these masks work out for you. Let me know how the filter works out for you. I hope that you guys are still continuing to social distance and make sure that you are practicing hand washing, mouth covering, and also staying at home. We can definitely beat this if we all continue to stay at home. So stay with me. I will continue to post my normal videos to keep you entertained, so that way you can stay at home with me as well too. Please guys, rate, comment, subscribe, and I will check you guys in my next video.